Hey guys, my name is Nisha and welcome back to my channel. It's been a year since I've been doing YouTube and you guys don't really know a lot about me at all. Like the only thing you know about me is that I do YouTube and I'm also a fashion blogger on Instagram, blah blah blah, all those things. But you guys don't really know a thing or two about me, so I thought it's finally time to share a little bit more about me and my personal life. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous because I've been pushing this thought for the longest time. I wasn't really ready to share details about me and my personal life, but I just thought that I'll take some baby steps. So I decided to do a tag, and what's more personal than the TMI tag? I personally like watching other people's TMI tags. It's just so much fun. It's really nice to know the different kind of people there are in this world. I just really hope you guys enjoy this tag, and without any further ado, let's just get started. So I'm wearing this shirt dress. The shirt dress is by Westside. I got it from Westside on sale, and it's just a really cute striped shirt dress. It has a pocket over here, and yeah, this is how it looks. But underneath the shirt dress, I'm wearing pajama shorts, which I was wearing at home. I didn't feel like taking it off, so yeah, so that's what I'm wearing. No, I haven't. I haven't had any terrible breakups. So I am somewhere between 5'5.5" to 5'6". Sometimes, like, I go to some places it shows that I'm 5'6", some places it shows that I'm 5'5.5". But yeah, if anyone ever asks me, I'm going to say like, yeah, I'm 5'6", but I'm most probably 5'5.5". Now this question, I was like contemplating whether I should answer or not, and I'm deciding not to answer it. Not because I have any issues with my weight. I am completely fine and happy with with how much I weigh, because I work out, I try to stay fit, so I'm completely happy with how much I weigh. But I feel like answering this question is going to open like a lot of debate, a lot of thoughts in people's mind, and I don't really want that, so I'm going to skip this one. Regular ear piercings, and that's it. My mom keeps insisting me on getting like a nose piercing because she thinks that it'll look good on me, but I'm just really scared, and yeah, that's just not happening. No, unfortunately I don't have any tattoos, but I'm dying to get inked. I would love to get some permanent ink. I have a few ideas. I've written down a few things that I want, and I'm really interested in getting those minimalistic small tattoos. So hopefully eventually at a certain point, maybe by the end of this year, at least I can get one tattoo. So yeah, fingers crossed, guys. Are you guys ready to hear the most boring answer in this whole entire planet? My favorite drink is water, and the reason why water is my favorite drink is because that's the only thing I drink every single day. I'm not really addicted to tea, coffee or anything. I know a lot of you guys enjoy your cup of tea, your cup of coffee. The only time I drink soda is when I'm at the movies and when I just need something for my popcorn. So the only thing I guess I'm kind of addicted to is like a cup of green tea at night. I have to have my cup of green tea at night. So again, this one is really hard to choose. How can someone have one favorite song, guys? That's impossible. But I'm going to go to my playlist and I'm going to share a few songs that I'm loving at the moment. So the first song is, it's called The Weekend by SZA or SZA. Ready Yet by Sasha Sloan. Someone introduced me to Post Malone, and ever since then I've been just addicted, and I'm listening to every single song from his albums. I absolutely love them. I'm a Pisces, and I am a true Pisces. I am extremely moody, I am dreamy, I am very sensitive, very emotional, everything that makes, and I'm very creative, I guess, and like artistic, blah blah blah, everything that makes a Pisces person a Pisces. I am a true Pisces. So if I have to do the complete routine like shampoo, conditioner, all those things, it'll take 30 minutes, 35 minutes. But if I have to do like a quick shower, then 15 minutes. It's very hard to choose one favorite shows because there's so many shows that I am loving, that I've loved, and I love rewatching. Before I go to bed, I watch some Grey's Anatomy and then go to bed because I'm like hooked and I just can't detach myself from it. I mean, there's so many shows that I love, you know, like Friends, obviously. Then there's Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Game of Thrones, Gossip Girl. If I just had to choose one show, then I guess I'll have to go with Gossip Girl. So I don't listen to a lot of bands. I'm more of a solo singer kind of person. But if I had to choose two, then I'll just go with Maroon 5 and Coldplay. I know this is going to sound so cheesy, but I miss playing outside when I used to, you know, when I was little, when I was a kid, when I used to just go outside and play with my friends. I guess the only place that I do go to is online. I go online and I do some retail therapy. I love shopping when I'm sad. So if push comes to shove and I'm like really in a hurry to be somewhere or something, then I can get ready in like 15 to 20 minutes. Like the entire process, like right from brushing, shower, and to getting dressed, everything I can get it done in under 15 to 20 minutes. No, I really haven't. I haven't been in any physical fights. I'm just really turned on over someone's excitement, over their passion, their work, or just something fun that they want to do. I'm just really turned on by that. What turns me off is negativity. Like, I hate when someone is like really negative and, you know, their negative vibes just kind of spreads to the entire group. I just really love a person who is really driven by their passion, like they want to do something in life, they want to achieve something. I love achievers, so that's a quality that I do look forward to in a person. My favorite color is purple. Ever since childhood, my favorite color has been purple, and not just any purple, the deep purple, the almost darkest purple that looks like black but isn't black. That's my favorite color. I love loud music. Like, you know, the kind of music where you can feel the vibration in your chest, like in your heart. That's the kind of loud music that I like. Favorite code? I don't really have anything. So in Bollywood, I absolutely love Shah Rukh Khan. In Hollywood, I have two favorite actors. One is Ryan Reynolds and the second one is Blake Lively. And I know they both are husband and wife and I love them. I love Blake Lively because, you know, Gossip Girl and everything. YouTube had just started to pick up, and you know, there were creators like Michelle Phan and all those kind of people, you know, the one that like the original YouTubers. So ever since then, I used to always think about, you know, starting a channel. Since I was already blogging, I just thought that YouTube would be like a nice little addition to my, you know, fashion blogging and everything. So that's the reason why I joined YouTube. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about one of my main fears, and that is the fear of needles. It's not just needles. I have a fear of pointed objects, especially pointy things that are, you know, pointed towards my eye. Like, I just can't, even if someone is talking to me like this, or they're holding a pen and if they're talking to me like this, like I can't just stand there and talk to them. My eyes will instantly start tearing up. So the last thing that made me cry was Grey's Anatomy. I feel like each and every single episode of Grey's Anatomy makes me cry. First word, Dimpy, is actually my name. It's a nickname. So, and Dimpyscorner is because, you know, I just kind of wanted to create like this personal space for me and you guys online. So this is like, you know, it's like my little corner where we all can like sit and talk about fashion, style, makeup, you know, anything and everything that you love. Okay, I'm really sorry about the drilling noise that's happening right now. People are doing some construction work somewhere and it really sucks. So the last book I read was Eleanor and Park by Rainbow Rowell. So the book I'm currently reading is They Both Die at the End, and when I say currently reading, I mean it is in pause. I started this book like a month back and I still haven't completed it, so I guess that makes it currently reading. Grey's Anatomy. So the last place I was in the other rooms. Does bowling count as a sport, guys? Last person I talked to was my mom. I honestly can't remember because I sing 2 to 3 different songs at the same time. I can't choose one chat-up line because honestly, I love cheesy pickup lines. Like, I don't want them to be used on me, but I really love cheesy pickup lines. I really love seeing how creative people can get. No, currently I am not crushing on anyone. I last texted my friend Mukul. On Instagram, she texted me because she saw like my ad on Instagram and she was just and we were just laughing about it. Absolutely freaking love Chinese food, but if I had to choose like one favorite food, I guess it'll have to be the chicken popcorn from KFC. I really love it. Lately, I have been wanting to visit Greece. It's just so beautiful and I would love to visit someday, like Santorini, Mykonos. Probably yesterday or even today morning, there's always someone insulting me on my YouTube channel. I don't like sweet things, so if I ever will choose something sweet, it has to have like a salty element to it. Something like salted caramel. None. I can't play any instrument. I wear these 2 rings every single day. I don't think I've ever taken it off, and I've been wearing it for years, for over 7 years, and these are probably my favorite piece of jewelry. What does that mean? Like, favorite piece of jewelry, and have I ever used it? If then yes. I mean, I use it every single day, I guess. I am going to tag you guys to answer these questions next. So I have some questions down in the description box below that I want you guys to comment on in the comment section. So go ahead and do that, because now that you guys know a little bit about me, I would like to know a little bit about you too. Also, I have a giveaway with this video, and all the information about the giveaway will be down in the description box below. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!